is to train you how to set up a carrier logistics system. Key components before adding any rates or before using the system is to set up your carriers. First, you log in by using your user ID and password. You go to the menu screen called Masters, Carrier. If you don't have carriers in here, this screen would be blank. If you do use to add a new carrier, put your name how you want it to appear in the least cost carrier. We'll put in Vitran. You'd put in the carrier's SCAC code. The entering of the carrier's SCAC code is critical to get transit times and the terminal information directly from the carrier or our Carrier Connect software. So TR is Vitran's SCAC. TR. And then you would select an LTL carrier. If you wanted to use the carrier's public fuel charges and we have them on file, the view will pop up in blue and you would just hit Use Carrier Published Fuel Charges. If the view was not in blue here, it means that we do not have the public for this particular SCAC. Select a contact as none. If you had a contact set up in the system to you want to receive emails if this carrier is used in the bill of lading, you could select that contact here, and that is another session under setting up contacts in the system. Once you carry your SCAC, fuel, select a contact, save the carrier. Other areas in that you may want to be aware of in the carrier setup. I'm going to go back to Vitran now, search that. Put other information that may pertain to, for instance, in the address information, you could fill in the carrier-specific address or your billing information in here if you're going to use carrier-specific bill-to terms on the bill of lading. This is discussed more later on in the bill of lading setup routines. Once up a carrier, you must up a service level for every carrier. There must be at least one service level for every carrier in the system. So you go to Masters, Service Level, New, look carrier you just added. We'll look for Vitran now. There's Vitran. Add service level. And the typical service level we also usually add for as a default is STD, which stands for Standard Service Level. If you had multiple service levels, you would add another 3-digit code for other service levels like same day or next day or expedited. These be the explanation on the use of this service level will be described in further detail in your maintenance area. So that is for setting up a carrier. Again, you set up the carrier. I go Carrier, Masters, New. For every year, then you set up a service level. And once you set up the carrier and service level, you're ready to enter rates.